Welcome back. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you top 5 websites that no one knows about where you can make $100 per day even if you are completely broke. But before that, my name is Neymar and in this channel is all about create a successful business and make money online videos. Also, my primary goal is helping you to make more money using your online business. So if you're new in this channel, make sure you tap the like button and subscribe now. Alright guys, welcome back to my screen. So number 5 is guys Pirifly.com. Pirifly is a CPA marketing site. Now what is CPA? CPA means is cost per action. For example, like Fiverr, you get 100 people sign up to your Pirifly link. You are going to pay every single time click that link, so you are get every single time someone takes action to Pirifly. This is a great way to make money online. Number 4 is Duda.co. What Duda.co allows you to do is make a mobile optimized website. What like to do on a Duda.co is I like to do look out some business that have a terrible looking mobile sites or maybe doesn't fit right to your phone. So what Duda allows you to do is optimize and create a mobile website even if you have no knowledge actually how to build a website. So find a business that have a terrible looking website, message them or email them. You can build them a much more than better mobile site and use Duda.co to create that. The best part about Duda.co is you literally advantage of Duda.co trial. You don't have to have anything upfront and start to make $100 per day. Number 3 is guys Fiverr.com. It's allow you to do actually just go out make money for whatever you good at. Maybe you speak English and Spanish. You can make a gig on Fiverr saying that you do a translation services. Boom, people are literally pay you to do this. You can do anything that you're good at and you can actually make money doing this. Maybe you are good at in graphic design, video editing, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is good at you can literally get paid for doing this. Number 2 is guys Canva.com. What Canva.com allows you to do is create a beautiful graphic design. Even if you have no idea what you're doing, you can make YouTube thumbnail offer to people for a $5 or $10. It takes you to just a 10 minute or 20 minutes actually create that thumbnail. If you get a $10 each 20 minutes to do on that, till you are get a $30 per hour. If you are good at this, it's very easy way to offer a graphic design services. You can use the Canva.com even if you have no knowledge to actually get paid. Finally, we are coming into our last website. Number 1 is AdFly. What AdFly allows you to do is get every time someone clicks on a link, you may not gonna be paid a ton some on a link. The best part, it takes zero money to start. So if you have a blog, a traffic, what happens is shorten any link in internet and someone clicks on that link, they are showed a 5-second ad. If they show that 5-second ad, you can get paid. So that is a top site, make $100 per day. So if you're new in this channel, make sure you do 2 things: tap a like button, subscribe now, and do me a favor, share this video within your friends, someone that you think may be helpful for her.